Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Troubleshooting Selenium browser.get, Not Working, a Comprehensive Guide. Introduction. Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browsers, enabling developers to simulate user interactions with web applications. One of the fundamental methods in Selenium is browser.get, which is used to navigate to a specified URL. However, there are instances where browser.get may not work as expected. This tutorial aims to guide you through troubleshooting and resolving issues related to browser.get in Selenium, providing code examples and solutions. Common issues and solutions. Timing issues. Incorrect URL format. Network issues. Browser driver issues. Browser window focus. Conclusion. By addressing these common issues and implementing the suggested solutions, you can troubleshoot and resolve problems related to browser.get in Selenium. Remember to keep your browser driver, and Selenium library up to date for optimal compatibility and performance. ChatGPT.